Hey, what's up, YouTube? Jay here, back again with another video. Today I got Wendy's. So today we're going to be reviewing the mushroom bacon cheeseburger. But instead of a single patty, I got a double. Let's go ahead and, you know how we are. We get straight down and dirty to the review. We don't waste no time here. So I'm going to try to open it up for you guys so y'all can see. So I got the double meat right there. It's got a lot of mushrooms in it. And I checked the website. It's got roughly like 1,000 calories. But do I even care? Heck no. Oh yeah, that's really good. Then I also got some a salted frosty caramel. We're gonna give it a try here shortly. Then I got some fries as well from Wendy's. But so far from what I tasted, the burger tastes really good. But I'm not gonna give an honest review just yet. So let me get a little bit more bites. And I'm gonna give my honest review from 1 through 10. Man, I'm already dropping fries on the floor and everything. Look at that, guys. The bacon is cooked well. The cheese is melted. The meat is not overly cooked. And the mushrooms are pretty good. Even though I'm not really a big mushroom guy, but I do like it. It tastes really good. It's a lot of mushrooms right there. The fries, out of 1 through 5, I would say probably like a 2. They really not that great. They're not fresh at all. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all on the fries. The fries could be a lot better. But pick up the fries that I had dropped earlier, but I'm not gonna waste it though. I'm gonna go ahead and finish all the fries though. How I knew about this burger was I saw it on a commercial. And I wanted to give it a try. All right, it's all gone. Just got a little bit of fries left. I want to say the burger, I want to give it at least a 7.5. The reason why I didn't give it at least like an 8, 8.5, because I'm not a big mushroom guy. But overall, the burger is really good. Would I get it again? Definitely, I would. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much everything there. But last but not least, I got the, I believe they call it the salted caramel frosty. Even though it's like 40 something degrees outside here in Houston, you can't make that up. Frosty, eating a frosty when it's 40 something degrees outside. Well, I seen it all. But other than that, man, let's just see how, let's give it a try, see how good it is. So it's already starting to melt now. I don't think I would be needing the straw though. Other than that, it tastes pretty good. It's already starting to melt. You can definitely taste the salt in it though. And definitely caramel. And that's it. Oh man. Other than that, everything, I'll give it a 7.5. 1 through 10 scale. Hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hope you guys spent time with y'all's families. And I just also want to say thank you for support. And also thank you for watching my videos. Like, share, and subscribe. And also, hey, let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want me to do more pizza videos? It seems like that had got a really good response. If you, I don't know, let me know. The Domino's viral pizza. Let me know what you want me to do, and I'll definitely put another video out for you guys. Other than that, that's gonna be it for this video here. You guys take care. Have a good day. God bless.